So what's up guys, welcome back to the new video. Today we are playing PTFS and today we are going to be trying to land a 747 on an aircraft carrier. So right here I have the Korean Air 747. Let me just zoom out a bit so that I can get a better view. A bit more. I guess that's fine. Now let's just start taxiing. Okay, so we are right now in the air. Let me just see which aircraft carrier should I land on. Let me just turn around a bit. Queen Elizabeth is kind of small, I guess. We need a bit bigger one because this is a big aircraft. We cannot small on land. Land on small ones. I guess I'll take USS General Ford. That's kind of stretchy. Okay, so right now it's night time, so it will be like kind of difficult. So I'll just go a bit far so that I get a good angle of landing and yeah, now it's morning and I guess there I'll be able to land properly. Um, let's see. Okay, so we are right down there. I'm just increasing and decreasing the speed so that it just don't stall again and again. Let's see. I hope I just make it this time. Moment of truth. And oh my god, the speed is too much. 100 knots and yeah, the being hit that area. Oh no, we're going. What? Seriously? So okay, we are now again into the skies. I guess I'll need to have some strategy. Strategy is needed. So I'll just go far away again. You can see. Okay, no, I'm not that far away. I'll just fly around a bit to decrease my speed and hopefully I'll just get some good angle again. Yeah. Please. Oh, okay, stalling. Okay, not the best landing, but right now my target is just to stop on this aircraft carrier. I'll just turn around. Engines off. Yeah, okay. So, we made it. That's it for today.